Okay, the lock I have today is another Mauer. This is an Elite 2. This is in Euro cylinder form. It's a 2-star SKG. It's a dimple lock, obviously. I was really happy when I got this in the mail because of this bitting. It looks like it's the lowest cuts to the highest, to lowest to the highest to lowest to the highest. So I was really happy when I got that, and it's proven to be difficulty just because these Mauer locks are very sensitive, very easy to overset pins. If you watched my previous video a couple of videos ago, I did the Elite 1, just in a different form, obviously padlock. And so far, the only noticeable thing, they are both 6 pins. And the only noticeable thing is this is the Elite 1 is on your left, Elite 2 is on the right. It has these little dimples here, I'm pretty sure just for key control. So I'll get this put up in a vise and we will pick it up. And we will try to pick it. Okay. Okay, 6 is binding. That was 6. That was 2. That was 4. And that was 1. I didn't announce the pin. I think it was 3 and 5. These cuts on this key are so low that actually the thickness of this dimple pick I'm using, all I have to do is actually force this underneath and not lift it at all in order to set it, which took me honestly a long time to figure out, because you actually don't get any feel sliding it underneath of it. It sets it, but you can't really tell. So every time I would force my way underneath one, just like any multi-lock, and try to lift up, it would always overset it. So I think having this extreme radical bitting was kind of a negative aspect. As you see, it's picked. I just locked it up, and we'll gut this. And I've never gutted this one before, so if this takes me a long time, I'll just okay. That was a pain in the ass. I accidentally locked it up before realizing I would need it unlocked to gut it, so had to do it a weird way. But I did end up getting it apart, so That's what matters. Okay. Here, I'll give you a close-up. On the key pins, they're the typical Mauer key pins where you see there's a skinny end and a fat end that stops them from falling all the way down. I don't know if you can see there's a ledge down in there where the fat part obviously stops and sits on that ledge right there. And all 5 of these are for key control. All 5 of these came from the bottom of the cylinder, which is where these 2 dimple marks here are from. As you see, 1, 2, 4, and 5 are standard, while number 3 and number 6 are the long spools. And all these springs are just standard springs. The core doesn't seem... There's some drill protection, hardened steel inserts above and below the keyway. Also one right in front of the pin stack and one on either side of the pin stack. And it also has this cut all the way around it. This is a red line one. At least I did the red line side. This part goes to the outside of the door, so to prevent snapping. If this part's snapped off, you can still access your lock by the last 3 pins. Alright, well that is all I have for you on the Mauer Elit 2 Eurocylinder dimple lock. If you have any questions or comments, you can post them below. If you like the video, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. And remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks.